Data structure and its importance. Introduction to data structure. Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing data. It is a fundamental concept in the field of computer science. Plays a vital role in designing an efficient software or algorithm. Provides a means to manage large amounts of data efficiently for uses such as large databases and internet indexing services. Current status of data structure. Data structures are a fundamental part of virtually all computer science disciplines, from operating systems to artificial intelligence, used in the development of algorithms, in memory organization, and in managing and structuring data. In the era of big data, efficient data structures are more important than ever. Future prospects and implications of data structure. As we move towards an increasingly digital future, the importance of data structures will only grow. Data structures will play a crucial role in managing and organizing the vast amounts of data that are being generated. With the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, efficient data structures will be key to developing algorithms that can process and analyze this data effectively. Conclusion: understanding data structures and their importance is fundamental to any study or profession in the field of computer science. They form the basis of software development and are key to the efficient handling and processing of data.